everybody, today in front of me I have EMPORIA Smart 4 device, and in today's video we will show how you can set Opera as your default browser on this smartphone. So first of all, you want to tap on this gear icon, go for the more settings, scroll down for a little, go for the system settings category. In here, apps and notifications section, that's what you want to head for. Default apps, choose browser app, and here just select Opera, and that will effectively mean that you have successfully set Opera as your default browser on this device. That is also the second way to do that directly from the app, so let's go ahead and open it. Alrighty, where is the application in my end? Let me find it real quick. So we'll go to the all apps section, and in here go for Opera. Now tap on this avatar picture that is located at the bottom right corner of your display. Go for settings. In here, scroll down for a little, find the default browser section, click on it, tap on the blue next button, select Opera by simply tapping on it, and then make it the default app for browsing, just like so. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.